moves his mouth around head to head. See, sometimes I've caught him going arse first, right? And like, he'll go around to arse because it's a big rat. Tail hanging out, tail in, we were struggling with it, you know what I mean?
That means it's on the floor.
That's your school.
No.
What's it?
What's that one?
Yeah, that's the north, man. What's it? We haven't done it before. What's it?
Look at that rat.
Keep still, what's wrong? Let's go through it. There, the two. What's it? Yeah, you should be driving. What is driving?
That is one hell of a rat.
Oh, look at Frankie boy. Oh, look at Frankie boy, look. Skin and that. Down like ball. See, Casey works bed down there, and that bit going over that branch. By the time it gets to there,
Yeah.
it's that big.
Well, did you get it with the actual scenery?
Oh, bugger.
Did you not get it properly?
Stay still. It's got it. It's got it now. Folks. Keep still. Throw some out. Casey always thought he's wrapping around it. Protects it away from anybody. And like, you know, it's. Just keep still. As soon as he starts walking his mouth around it, he'll not let go of it now. Look, see, Casey, he'll walk his mouth around it now. It's in there. That's what's in there. He'll walk his mouth around it like that.
Where's that going with that?
You know what, so I'm going there, but they're walking way around it, and as he gets deeper into his neck, that's why his neck's so strong. You know what I mean? It squashes it. As it goes further down, it squashes it into fucking switch. So it's obviously because his body is back to his neck, and he's going to fit that rat inside his neck, so he's going to squash it as it goes down. You get me? He's had a king size one. They're large rats. He's done a king size one. It took him half an hour to fit a king size one. These a lot quicker. But these were about. That king size one were a bit too big for him. But he needs a bigger tank because he'll grow to the size of where he is. So he won't grow as quick in there as he would do if he were in here. So I need to fucking do that for him.
I don't think I can get it in because of its feet.
Just watch. Oh, listen. Believe me, it's in.
What's it doing now?
It can open its
Shit
mouth that way.
video like you can't even fucking see him.
It can open its mouth about that way. I could do it if I came closer. Can I go around other end?
Oh, watch.
Right, yeah.
Just keep still.
Oh, he's opening my wall wide then.
See? There's loads of things. I know I've just moved up there and that then, but if there's loads of things happening and moving about and that, it will just make them a bit. I've told you before, haven't I? You got to think about, all these animals and all that shit. They've got arms, legs, and all that. Lions, you know what I mean? They can let go of the food, fight someone, and then go back to the food. Once they've started fucking eating something, that's it. If he else it wow now, and a fucking someone wanted to eat him, come over to him, he's fucked. Because he's got a fucking rat half out his fucking mouth, how can he defend himself? So they're proper worried about when they're feeding them that. As soon as you got it half in, what? You know, Trace? Come here. see, still open his mouth for a bit over the top of that. That's how we did that king size one.
Can't watch.
Can't even see it from
Still don't work. Tried it.
that smells better. Watch him now, he's got more to it. Pick himself up. We've all down it now. Can you see it here? That's where its nose is. Watch. There you go. Watch. There.
I watched the fastest snake in the world. He found him with it was just like he went.
Try blinder.
It puts its head up or instead of going up forward, it puts its head up or just goes.
Yeah, move sideways.
Just do sideways. Do you know how fast you can move?
Where's in
Do
Australia?
you know how fast like an adult can move? Just keeps him on the feet. Like,
Oh yeah, no, I think that's that one of pushing it. Yeah.
yeah, that's fast as they can move. There's that guy who says you can only just stay on your feet. He's actually. Yeah. He said they don't want to get too close to the snake. And it's venomous.
Boom. So he does like 10 mil at a time, just like a centimetre at a time. Look at him in and out before. Look at side. Look at fucking width of him there now. Fucking amazing. What's that big one then? He's over at fattest bit now. He'll lift up in a minute and let it fall in. Oh what? Talk about him behind my back. In my own house.
Caravan.
I didn't say anything.
The walls and the roof on it.
I didn't say anything. Cocky boy.
It's got wood in it. It's got wood in it.
And what? Aluminium as well. What?
It's got crap isolation.
Isolation?
Insulation. I'm thinking about the school like isolation. It's got crap
There you go,
isolation.
he's got it now. Bang. Well, you can see there, all that's it. Well, that bit there is near enough the same. So by the time it gets like just that far in, it's compressed it enough just to fucking flow in.
Is it all in now?
No, not all. It'll lift up in a minute when it's nearly all in.
Yes, snake expert.
I'm saying that.
It's just going up to arse now.
He's sexy.
Eating a truck.
Skateboard for backup. Where's the hammer?
Skateboard is the side order.
What's this? Oh, this one now. Which one's better? There's only one way to
Oh,
find out.
what's the big one now?
So she puts both of them down.
So what's the big one?
Motorbike.
Put the skateboard back down then. I'm trying to put it on YouTube.
Watch.
Yes, remember. On the nest. Nest.
There you go. There you go. Looking back end.
No, it's not his. There it goes. Who's that?
He'll lift up there, mate. There's your ratters there now.
Ooh.
Where?
He'll want to pull out in a minute. You just sit there like that was going now. How his body moves. Watching it in. Watch.
Oh yeah.
The tail.
Oh, cool.
You might have to move the camera.
You're strange. Watch. In.
Who? Me?
Oh.
Me?
Yeah, look.
Oh, I should have moved the camera. Can't see it. It's like a bloody bearded dragon. Bollocks. With the scales on it. Neck.
Wow, that's one man.
So funny, you know, like funny. You choke on that one.
When will they have a shit? Tomorrow?
No.
Fair, come on.
Tuesday.
Go.
Oh, go.
Not really. Still got a bit. It's ready done.
Oh, that's crazy.
Go ahead.
Where's it gone?
What?
Where will it be now?
What? That's what I'm saying. Here, it's just normal fatness. By the time it gets to there, it's squashed it enough just to be fucking down.